where a court has ordered the arrest of a person, my understanding, it is for those to whom that order is directed to arrest the person ordered to be arrested, not usually for that person to hand himself in, even though that may be good. But where the person has not handed himself into the custodial facility, it may not in that sense be seen to be a refusal to obey court order, except where there's an attempt to enforce that order of court and the person refuses or resists an arrest to be taken to detention facility. But in this case, I think an interesting aspect of it would appear to be that the statement by the IGP suggests that he is not aware that there were contempt committal proceedings against him, but these are matters to be determined by the court. But I think, notionally speaking, it may not amount to contempt of court that a person ordered to be arrested by a court continues to stay in his house. So it is for the person directed by the court to effect the arrest.
When you took over, you're supposed to call your CP legal, those in the legal department. Please, can I know the number of cases you have in Nigeria? I know what I'm saying. They should give you update about it. Though, is there any order from court that we are expected to obey? He said yes. Have we appealed against it? You should be able. The legal department should brief you. Those in the accounting department should brief you. The engineering department should brief you. Those in the investigation department should brief you. You should take a brief so that you know what you are talking about. Now, if the CP who's supposed to brief you and they fail to brief you, what are you expected to do? You deal with him in line with him or her, in line with the law. You give an order against EFCC, against the army, against the DSS, against the civil defense. They are under obligation to obey.
The judge will never have convicted the IGP without him being put on the notice. So the presumption is that, one, he must have been served with Form 48. The Form 48 is telling him that this is a court has given the attached order. You are compelled to enforce the order of the court. So the judge, the IGP, was aware that there was proceedings against him in court for contempt. He ignored that one. Then after Form 48, there will be Form 49, giving you 48 hours within which to comply. If not, that you will be convicted. You cannot tell me that somebody will go to the court, proceed for contempt against the IG with forged documents before the court that the IGP has been put on notice.